Mint Mobile uses Google Voice for voicemail. You can access voicemails in a few ways: via the Google Voice app on iOS or Android, online at voice.google.com, or by dialing your Mint Mobile number and pressing the pound key. Recent updates in early 2025 have streamlined setup for new users. The Google Voice app now prompts for automatic configuration during Mint Mobile SIM activation, significantly reducing manual setup. Voicemails are stored in the cloud, providing access from any device. No major outages have been reported in 2025. During SIM activation, Google Voice is typically auto-configured. Set up a 4 to 10 digit PIN for dial-in access within the Google Voice app under Settings, Voicemail, Change PIN. For enhanced security, enable biometric unlocks. Shortcuts include swipe gestures in the app for delete and star actions. Use voice commands like, "Hey Google, check my voicemails" for hands-free access. On the web interface, use keyboard shortcuts like Control-K for quick search. Notification controls allow quick playback from your lock screen. These shortcuts save time by managing voicemail efficiently.